Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Taurus na mangyayari sa November 16, 2024 at 5:28 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November 2024, 25% discount sa lahat ng tarot reading services. Yung link nasa description at sa pin comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so for Gemini rising, ayan. So, let's see what's coming to you dahil ang full moon in Taurus is going to happen in your 12th house. So, 12th house, this is a very spiritual house. A lot of things going on na ano kasi to mga hidden, kumbaga nakatago sa atin, mga bagay na pwedeng isinasantabi natin, hindi natin binibigyan ng attention. But this time, mai-illuminate yan sa'yo. Marirealize mo what needs to be let go of. Kailangang i-let go na. Especially kung yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon kayo ng mga, let's say, mental struggle, no, ng mga nakaraan, na sometimes you feel like parang walang purpose sa buhay, maraming mga gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon. Some of you nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening, things are changing, lalo na ngayon that Pluto is in your 8th house, which is in Capricorn. I feel like meron ditong major transformation sa inyo. If kayo ay aware sa nangyayari sa paligid ninyo, sa situation ninyo, at marirealize nyo what is something that you need to let go of, especially if you're someone na mahilig mag-overthink or emotional spender, yung tipong gagastos ka kasi malungkot ka or masaya ka. So, maaring magkakaroon ka rito ng realization na, it's time to make changes, na ayusin yung finances mo, ayusin kung paano ka mag-react sa mga problema mo, sa mga on how you deal with your emotions. Maaring meron kang haharapin na it's like haharapin mo yung sarili mo, being aware of who you are. Okay, so this is really kind of spiritual for you. Having Uranus here is about unexpected changes that you will do. Meron ditong, for some of you lang maaring merong ang tawag nito, ma-reveal, okay? And itong revelation na to is someone who is your hidden enemy, no? Yung, kumbaga, ito yung tao sa buhay mo na hindi mo akalain na kalaban mo pala, or someone who wants you to fail, na gusto niya na bumagsak ka. Okay? Kasi ito, meron siyang opposition sa 6th house, which is in Scorpio, and the sun is illuminating that. So, pwede itong kasama mo sa trabaho, or kakompetensya mo sa workplace, or someone na akala mo ay kakampi mo, but you will realize na hindi pala. So, this can be a bit emotional for you, and maaring ayan yung relationships or connections that you will cut off or you will release from your life because you realize na hindi mo pala pwedeng pagkatiwalaan yung taong yon. Okay? Also, meron ding opportunity for you to pursue a new career. So, maaring you are pursuing your career in spirituality or anything that is in alignment of your goals, your destiny. You are going to be more creative, no? So you will tap into your skills, your being artistic. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong talent sa art, sa literature, sa music, and yan yung parang hindi nyo ini-explore dahil yung iba sa inyo nahihiya o kaya naman is napipigilan kayo ng iba dahil nakikinig kayo sa opinion ng iba. Okay? So, it's time for you to explore your talents, your skill set, and make it as your career. Okay? Having Pluto in the Capricorn in your 8th house, this is about you na parang i-reinvent mo yung sarili mo. I also see yung iba sa inyo magta-try kayong mag-business kung yung pagtatrabaho sa inyo or pagiging empleyado is nagiging challenging. So, maaring you are considering that option na magnegosyo para wala kang boss or wala kang taong pakikisamahan, or this can be self-employment na meron kang skills or services na i-offer sa iba and you will be paid, no? Babayaran ka dahil doon. Okay, so let's see what else for Gemini ngayong full moon in Taurus. See, you have the Judgment card. So this is, sinabi ko sa inyong you will reinvent yourself because this is a rebirth. It's a brand new you. You are, kumbaga, nire-reassess mo, ina-analyze mo ano yung mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo para mag-grow? Ano yung mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo na i-explore yung abilities mo, yung talents mo, yung skills mo? So, yun yung ile-let go mo. And maaring meron ka rin mga taong iiwasan, yung alam mo ang hindi supportive sa iyong mga goals and dreams. Oh, you have the Queen of Pentacles. So, you will focus on your financial stability. So, pagdating sa iyong career, some of you will tap into your knowledge, your skill set, your abilities, at yun yung gagawin yung trabaho. Yun yung gagawin yung source of income. At dahil doon, mas lalo kayong mabibless ng abundance, no? So, magtutuloy-tuloy yung income mo dyan because you love what you're doing. Okay? And ginagamit mo yung iyong talento, yung gifts na binigay sa'yo ni God. You also have the 8 of Swords. So, I think this is about, may mga times na parang nagda-doubt ka pa rin sa sarili mo kung kaya mo ba. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, iwasan nyo ang pakikinig sa mga doubters. Yung nagsasabi na, ay, ang hirap yan. Yun yung laging nakakontra sa mga plano mo. Parang wala nang sinuportahan sa'yo. So, yun yung iwasan mo kasi sila yung parang nang bablock ng iyong view. Sila yung naglilimita sa'yo. So, you have to come out of your shell. Yes. Don't let pride get in your way. Ayan. So, minsan kasi marami tayong gustong patunayan sa ibang tao eh. Kaya lang, minsan, kailangan, ang patunayan, meron tayong patunayan sa sarili natin, hindi sa iba. Oo. Okay? What do you need to release? O, diba? Gemini, you need to release something. Anything that is no longer serving your highest good, anything that is blocking your success. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka ng realization yan around this time. So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Good luck.